So, I just checked my view count this morning, and I was surprised to see, or rather observe or notice a significant difference in some of my videos. To put it plainly, the ones who had very specific titles about something got a lot more views than my general ones. So an example is, I did a video about uh, ways to increase your ways to success when talking to a girl. That got like 15 views or something, very, very small. And then I made another one, very specifically about atheism from a functionalistic point of view. And that boomed up to, I think, about 100 and 150 or something, which is really wow. So, I think you can apply this to every single aspect of your life. When you're making YouTube videos, be very specific about what you're talking about. When you're complimenting someone, maybe a girl, be very specific about what you are complimenting about. When you're complimenting a friend, same thing there, very specific. Also at job interviews, don't say that I'm very good, I'm very disciplined and so forth. No, rather go into specific examples and show them with that example. That, for example, yes, you are disciplined, and you show this through an example where you worked at a, I don't know, some delivery company, and you did the work exquisitely, fast and well. Thank you for watching, and remember to be specific.